What I feel about the TIMSUN tires is that it gives me pretty good mileage, and ever since I changed to the high grip, right, it's really good performance, no problem with the slight cornering that I do, and even on wet floors I don't feel that much bumps and all that, even it doesn't slip, so overall pretty good.
Hey, the TIMSUN TS 660, fantastic tires, corner like on rails, good tires.
Hi, I'm Brian from 4D Adventure Rider. TIMSUN tire is good. I've been using this almost for 20,000 kilometers already. I changed to new tires now. Now I'm using a TS 822 and 823. Previously I'm using TS 659. I used it up to 25,000 kilometers. So far it's so good. Good holding. Performance wise is good. Lasts me longer. Bye. See you guys.
Okay, I've been using this TIMSUN tires on my scooter for a good 4 months, and it's been great on wet and dry as well. I just rode 200 kilometers up Malaysia, and the tires was just fantastic. Thank you.